Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with PayPal crypto in the USA, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the official PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the crypto section on the home page. Select buy, hold, or sell cryptocurrency to access PayPal's crypto features. Review the introductory information about cryptocurrencies offered by PayPal. Click on the Get Started or Learn More buttons as needed. Choose the type of cryptocurrency you want to buy or manage. Select Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or Bitcoin Cash. If you're looking to authenticate for the first time, ensure you have your identity verification documents ready. PayPal may prompt you to verify your identity through a multi-factor authentication process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete identity verification. This may involve receiving a text or email confirmation code. Enter the code when prompted to validate your identity. After successful verification, proceed to the buying options. Select the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Review the transaction details, including fees and payment methods. Choose your preferred payment method, which could include your PayPal balance or linked bank account. Confirm your purchase after reviewing all details. Ensure they're correct. Once the transaction is completed, you will receive a confirmation notification. Your cryptocurrency will now be reflected in your PayPal account balance. To manage your crypto, navigate back to the crypto section whenever you need. From here, you can view, sell, or hold your cryptocurrency investments. Remember to stay updated with the latest news and regulations regarding cryptocurrencies. Finally, always ensure your account security by regularly updating your password and enabling two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.